Welcome to Cooking with Bobbi Joe. Today we're going to be making a super easy dog treat. I don't know about you, but I've sat down with a big bowl of buttery, salty popcorn and tossed a few pieces to my dogs before, and I've often wondered if it was healthy for them, so I decided to look it up. Unfortunately, buttery, salty popcorn is not good for dogs, but the good news is plain air popped is good for them. I do not own an air popper, so it can be done on the stove with coconut oil or olive oil. If you've never made popcorn on the stove, it's super easy as well. To start with, you want to turn the heat to medium and then add the coconut oil. I'm just going to do a scoop of coconut oil. I'm not really measuring it, and I'm going to make enough for us and the dogs. Once the coconut oil melts, then add in one popcorn kernel. Once that kernel pops, add the rest of your kernels. Now, how much oil and kernels you need depends on how much popcorn you want. There's directions on the popcorn bag. I'm doing a half a cup of kernels to make a big pot. You put the lid on and you let it pop. You may need to shake it a couple of times to keep it from sticking to the bottom and burning. Once you hear the popping slow down, you know it's almost done. Usually once I hear it popping only once every 10 to 20 seconds, I go ahead and turn the heat off and let it finish popping with the heat off. Be careful when removing the lid because it will steam, so remove it away from your body with an oven mitt on to protect your arm. Then pour it into your bowls. Make sure there are no unpopped kernels in the bowl. If so, remove them. The dogs can have it like it is straight out of the pot. I'm adding a little salt and Parmesan cheese to mine. Then you share it with your doggy friends and your human friends. And we got doggy popcorn. Y'all interested in some doggy popcorn? Let me fix mine too. That's mine. This is y'all's. Let's cool down some. It's Bobbi Joe. Are you interested in some popcorn? Mr. Nolan, are you interested in some popcorn? What about you, Miss Diana? You want hot popcorn? You're used to me tossing that to you, aren't you? Here you go. Carla May, let's go sit down at the table. Do you want the popcorn? Whoops. Did you get it? Back there in that dark corner. Bobbi Joe, you gonna catch it? Good catch. That was a bad throw. Miss Diana. Mr. Nolan. Bobbi Joe, are you going to talk? Are you going to tell us about it? Huh? You going to talk about it? No jumping. Oh, Diane's telling us about it. Diane don't ever tell us about it. Tell us about it, Bobbi Joe. Speak. Speak. Good girl. Whoops. Here, let's try that again. Nolan? Carla May, y'all like your popcorn, don't ya? Now we need some movie. Popcorn in a movie. We also had popcorn and a movie. Here's Nolan and Bobby Joe watching one of their favorite YouTube channels. I'll leave links in the video descriptions of those channels. Hope y'all enjoyed the short and easy video. Don't forget to check back Wednesday when we will be making some fried squash and fish. And then Friday for another episode of the Lake Hill City Birds. Hopefully the rain will stop and I can get some good bird footage. Until next time, y'all have a blessed week.